Hi there, Jude Matejcik, Life Master Consultant. This is a how-to video, how to do your daily to be pages. It's this page right here. Now, many of you got them in the mail. Many of you can even do this with a notebook, but this is so key to doing and being, oops, be, being a part of setting your intention, and it's a daily practice, I'll just say, and it's really easy. It's really important to do this in the morning. So I wanted to go through the first parts. I hope that this turns out. So the very first part, and you can do this on a notebook, paper, or whatever. Let me see if this is it. I'm reading it backwards. Anyway, it's what we're doing is we're linking your heart and your actions every day and record your empowerment path. So the first thing there is the date. So it's really important to send yourself into the date. I usually write Thursday, December 4th, 2020. And so I get really tuned in to the actual date here. The second part here is my life in 6 months. Well, you can do that 6 months, the end of December, December 31st, but that's writing down basically your intention or what you would love to as coming from the end date, your result date. So for this group, it would be December 31st. Okay. And it could be I am joyful, peaceful, have 5 clients or whatever it is that you would love, total health. Now, this next part is really important. It's your I am statements. And these are your daily affirmations that you would write. You can have the same ones over and over. You can have different ones. What I write on mine is I am 100% healthy, fit, flexible, and free. I am radiating joy. I am guided to new awarenesses. I am, and you can come up with 1 or 2 I am statements for that day. Okay. This third part is very important, is gratitude. I am grateful for. So it could be I am grateful for, and this is where you would be putting your wins down from the day before. Like you could win, like I had a great night's sleep. I am grateful for my family. I'm grateful for my car, food for me. I'm grateful for coffee in the morning to be healthy. So that's that section. And then the last section is I am creating today. This is where you're going to be putting down your intention for the day. And so I am creating a day full of energy and aliveness. And you'll know I'm intending to get this task completed. It's not a to-do list. This is definitely not a to-do list. It's a to-be list, and it says who you're being. And the very last thing I would suggest reading out loud is, thank you, Spirit of Life, for giving me this precious gift, a brand new, never before lived baby day. So that's basically your daily guide. Doing this every single day of this month of intention. Let me go over again. Once again, your date, right? And I like to write the day of the week, month and day and year. My life in 6 months. This is like a shortcut of your vision, and you might have a really long vision. That's great. This is to reminding you like the key points in your vision. Your I am statements. Okay, this is an important. This is going to be your affirmations for the day, your gratitude, and then your intention. I am creating today. Okay, now you'll find that if you are diligent with this, I've been doing to be pages for years and years now, and it puts me in a focused attention on that day. And here, one of the things about your intentions, it always should tie into your vision. So you have a vision of saying total health, and you write down your health goal or your health, I don't want to say goal, your health vision for the end of the month. And then down here, I am creating a day of, say, walking 2 miles or going for a hike, because that will tie in with your vision. So there you go. Your 2B pages. Thought I would get that one out. I'm going to send this recording out. And it's like the most fundamental key into what we're doing now with life discovery. Okay, dream big, dream bold, accomplish brilliantly. And see you next week.